Hi everybody, my name is Mara and I run a platform called the Funky Spork. And the purpose of the Funky Spork is to develop original recipes and promote local food systems. Well, welcome to my personal home. As you see here, I've got an empty plate, silverware, beautiful flowers, and an empty cup. What the heck could that all mean? Brunch time, baby, brunch time. That's right, folks, I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious and stupid easy brunch dish that only requires a small handful of ingredients, and that will be turkey blueberry roll-ups. What the heck? Turkeys and blueberries? Is that even a thing? And could that even go well together? Yes. It can go well together because it does. So let's get started. So this particular recipe requires the following ingredients. I got 1 can of crescent roll dough sheets, a half a cup of cream cheese, 8 slices of deli turkey, 1 egg, and last but not least, a half of a cup of fresh blueberries. Now, being that the purpose of this channel is to really focus and celebrate local food, these particular blueberries are ones that I picked from Keel Farms, which is a local Plant City based winery and farming operation. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is get a nice sizable cookie sheet. So you're going to take your crescent roll dough sheet and you're going to open this. Okay, got it opened. And it looks like a happy baby just waiting to pop out of the can. I like to go ahead and tear it from this edge and continue. One of the first steps you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. The next step is to take that crescent roll dough. You're going to gently, ever so gently, start to pull from the ends, and you're going to want to make sure that you gently start to open this up. Mind you, this is an ungreased cookie sheet. All right, that's a nice little size. This kind of reminds me of one of those old school treasure maps you'd see in stories such as Peter Pan or Captain Hook. I don't know, is that just me or do you see it too? Let me know. Public service announcement: never have your pet cat or your pet dog part of your cooking tutorial, or your cat, like mine sweetheart, is going to try to eat all your ingredients. Now, one of the next steps will be taking your cream cheese and spreading it across this dough mixture. You want to make sure that you are spreading throughout this entire sheet. May I help you? All right, so now your next step will be to take this lovely cream cheese filled crescent roll dough sheet, and you're going to want to make sure that you are slicing this into 8 rectangular pieces. So I'm slicing in the middle, and now I'm going to slice lengthways like this, then like this, and like that. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is gradually start to separate each of these slices. Give them a little bit of space, maybe about 1 inch apart from each other. Separate them like so. So now your next step will be to take your deli turkey slices and you're going to gently lay them on top of each of these rectangles. So I like to go ahead and fold each of these in half just so it can fit. You're going to want to take your lovely blueberries and layer about 4 to 5 blueberries over each of these rectangles, and I'll show you how I'm doing so. I'm gonna go ahead and take 1 spoonful of blueberries, which is about 5, if you can see it, and I'm putting the blueberries here at the end, kind of here, like 3/4 in. Let me go ahead and continue this process. Look how cute these look. But what's next? So now what you're going to do is take your finger and gently start to wrap this end of the crescent dough and the blueberries in. And you're going to continue to wrap, and you're going to continue to wrap this wrap, wrap, wrap. Want to tuck the blueberries in if you see any of them popping out. Wrap everything in until you have what looks like a crescent. Voila! Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is make things a little fun and give these a little bit of a round shape. I'm going to go ahead and close these off as if they were little donuts. So I basically turn these little babies into turkey cronuts. Take a look. Look at that. You're gonna want to take your egg, crack it and scramble it. And now you're going to take your scrambled egg mixture and brush the egg wash over each of your turkey cronuts. Just like so, not too much. Now I'm going to pop these into my oven for about 12 to 13 minutes until they start to turn a nice golden brown on the outside. So I'll be back at that point. Yay! After patiently waiting, these pastry babies are done. They look beautiful, they smell amazing, and I know they're going to taste good because I actually made these. All right, everybody. So me and my wonderful husband, Jeremy, or Juicy J.
Juicy J.
are hungry. Worked really hard, shedding a lot of.
I just woke up.
He just woke up. I forced him to get up so he can eat with me. But after a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, you saw how hard and how long this recipe took. You didn't know because you were sleeping.
I was sleeping.
But now that it's brunch time, I figure that maybe each of us can try one of these little tiny pastry cups. Yay! How do these look to you, babe?
They look good. Yeah.
Yay.
Last time she did it was more of like a kind of like a croissant type deal, like a sandwich. This is more like donut.
I was trying to go for a cronut.
Yeah,
I was trying to go for
like
turkey cronuts.
Yeah.
All right, so here's one. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna put this on Pinterest. Isn't that like
this one?
You'll take that one? No, they're all the same size. So now each of us are going to go ahead and try one of these. So here's my piece.
All right.
Toast.
Toast.
What are we toasting to?
I don't know. From which?
To blueberries and saucy Saturdays and brunch basicness. It's good? Mmm. Oh, that's good.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm. This is the blue cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Yeah,
cream cheese. That's what I meant. The turkey.
Mm-hmm.
What I love about this is the cheese with the meat, the turkey, and then it has that uniqueness of the blueberries. And because of that, it just brings that contrast together, but it just fits so well. Because it's not like, it's just, you have the best of a lot of worlds.
You said you've got the savory from the turkey and the cream cheese and that little bit of saltiness, but then you have that sweet balance between the crescent dough and the blueberries, and I feel that it makes a heavenly combination. Well, anyway, folks, me and my lovely hubby are going to continue eating and brunching out. Hashtag brunch, hashtag brunch. If you like this video, please help me by liking this video and commenting and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll also have this recipe posted over here at www.thefunkyspork.com. The link will be in the description below. But if you like my content, once again, please subscribe to this channel and please spread the word to all your friends and family. And until next time, I'll come back with another crazy recipe and food systems feature. Until then, folks, see you later. Bye!
The Funky Spork is a labor of love, a passion project to bring food education to the community at large. Do you like my content? please consider supporting me on Patreon. Your support will mean the world to me. Thank you.